Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today I will explain how to make rotations when you have already know where is the rotational point and the degrees that the exercise provides, and also if that is anti-clockwise or clockwise as well. In this video, I'm going to give you the following instruction. So you will rotate that triangle. Um, 90 degrees anti-clockwise, and I'm gonna give you the center of rotation, which is gonna be this one. Okay, 0.1, that is gonna be the center of rotation. So remember, what you have to do is, like, you use the tracing paper, and then you draw or you mark the points of the rotations you're gonna do. Then you draw a little, let's say, Cartesian plane here in the rotational point, like this. You see? Okay. So if the center of rotation is 0.1 and then the instruction is rotate 90 degrees anti-clockwise, so remember to hold the pencil like this, and then you will make the rotation anti-clockwise 90 degrees. So if you see, it's going to be exactly here. Here is going to be the triangle that you're going to make. So remember that you have to memorize the points, yes, and then make the rotation. Remember, the rotational center is 0.1, and then the other points are 0 minus 1, so you mark it 0 minus 1. Then the other one is minus 4 minus 1, so goes here. And then the other one is going to be minus 1 minus 3. Now it's time for you to make the new triangle. So let's say this is the triangle A, or the shape A, and this is going to be the shape B, or the triangle once we apply the rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise with the center 0.1. So let's call this the shape B. And that's where we make a rotation. Okay, what would happen if the instruction would be like rotate but clockwise 90 degrees? So if that is instruction, remember, you hold the rotational point, and then you go in this direction, which is clockwise. This would be the new triangle, right? This would be the new triangle that you have if the instruction would be 90 degrees clockwise. All right, so the coordinates would be this one. This is just a second example in the same example, right? 90 degrees, but clockwise. Okay, so this is the rotational point, and this is the other point. Let's change the color just to show you what would happen if the instruction would be the other one. Okay, let's make the new triangle. This is the triangle, yes, that you will make. Let's call this a triangle C. And that's the way we rotate 90 degree shape anti-clockwise or clockwise. All right, guys. Again, it was a pleasure to explain to you. Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.